Mamima wakwaba enfambra GCN page so mesrel subscribe to my channel found some ya bell ne so ubenya notification and some ekoso wo memu bia ubenya biati anase ubenya bia hwe e wo GCN page hamidin e de adwoa sechi Vim lady efia pokua e na okase ye ka top 5 anase top 10 journalists omo Ghana ha yentumi yini enfim Oyo baby obonu modin ye papa wo media ni mu onu masa oni MPP ni NDC ogini finfini e na okana dwenko a na efia pokua na okase na ne se mo okay na ne se ye Ghana youth ya sorry #face the country #face the country yes ye wiase ni mu aye den na de ade ni nyina no masa youth no kama yakoye se ya adwen no ense da entwa ye because ya adwen etwa ye ya calculation we enhwe starter timer o mampeni dada wanya ne baby ko eye Dr. Kwame Nkrumah nya ne baby ko a akondwe ebedi NDC funsem NDC fu no mo ewulia na MPP fu so abewulia nti no stress na how na mane ye komu o man Ghana emu na MPP na NDC MPP mba no wo nka sa wo ba be yadea na asin do your friend say Ghana asin Dubai and I say US and United Kingdom and I say baby sa ena MPP NDC fo nso mba ya nka so mo ayadea na che so mo de Ghana ekọ ewi che say baby ye hu bi da these two parties no they are the same enti Ghana fo mo fra youth no mo complain is na do na breso hardship aba na they are identity face the country no these youth they are the same people at 2024 mo kwatu abadia ma NDC for what kind of behavior is that na chese youth na mo chese omani mo ayede na omani mo nyede papa bia mamo Ghana for kamia kwa SMPP na NDC efia pokua chese se pese omani mugudia yensa kisa two parties na wofiso MPP na NDC obie na obetumi aboa oman no na yenfa third party embra na yenhwe do mo nso ebetumi ayede aboa oman Ghana na efia pokua chese onankasa de ne ho besiwo aye campaign e de ama eye youth no se mo boa mo ho ano na motiku na se mutumi mutumi extra mo adwen se bia me be president and be say Ghana betumi traffic no ekwanse ye be fa so ye be solve e bia nsu hu se me ekwanse na ye be fa so ye be solve bibi say na ona nkasa be gina ho ya campaign dia ma youth kro no ni age akonwa na fi MPP na NDC for mu se no mo bon ya bro papa na sen na fi apokua de atudwa
MPP under 1992 constitution, you started the constitution year, you may. NDC and a bedi power 92 to 96. 96 to 2000, NDC Kroya. 2000, Equity 2004, MPP President Kufo. 2004, Equity 2008, MPP President Kufo, yeah. 2009, Echo Professor Mills and a buyer. Professor Mills and we had the 10 President Mama and a baby Emano. After that, 2012, 2016, and also President Mama to one time so. 2016, 2020, MPP, yeah. And Ediabedu 2020, the same MPP, and Eti Omaisu. Eti Enkoye over the last 30 years, Yedia building the foundations of Ghana, no Enkoye. Yenya G to himself, Enkoye. This weekend, Yenya Bema Kwakase, and Kwakase, and I'm on your class out. Kwakase is about 40. Onya Akolasa. Inti Kwakase, so ye says, oh, ye Jan, and my baby, and so said ye. Say all can Ghana problem say odika say they want to trotro man now to Uber mu boat o taxi man why word traffic no cry no kire say Ghana yem planet na me research am here dia ba enwure na me top richest countries top rich countries e wo wiase woni say Singapore e wo first 5 rich countries e wo wiase Singapore e wo first 5 Inti abane se na Ghana ebedru ha Singapore fo ene wo start abrabo. Ye de ene ye ka aman a wo wo sika. Ye ka Singapore kan ye ka Ghana kan. But to be fair, Ghana so ye better than a lot of countries. Just say the whole world. Oman ohia wo mu pa Burundi. Oman ohia wo mu pa Burundi se Ghana. In fact, to share ohia kra ni sika sema. Ghana a beat Cote d'Ivoire. Ghana a beat Cote d'Ivoire. Inti ye won here say ene ye finding alternative leadership because Yasha NDC, Yasha MPP, Ghana is still the same. Ye improve you by improvement. Ye slow, slow by sure. Me say ye improve you, but I have to say enwa snail. We are improving at a snail pace. And then why? A man telling my baby one more money to my and then me say, ya try NDC, ya try MPP over the last 30 years. My member 30 no crack Ghana 30 years. NDC ni MPP nyina ya try ne 30 years. And you don't come and give me the American embassy any boo. Say Ghana solution lies with NDC or MPP. Don't come and give me any boo. Because over the last 30 years, NDC and MPP, and everybody to Facebook say, we are willing to give Ghana to the youth. And Nancy and I remember me free campaign, the youth of Ghana, free campaign. Opedi Kofi Kranti, ya bo chance na wabon sem. Me di to Facebook, omo young people na awa any first person say if ya to fear kwa is impossible na say aden. O say NDC ni MPP youth na wo mu no. Omo cry corrupt champion for na tesoro. Na say well, you have a point. NDC ni MPP ni see over the last 30 years omo no magu Ghana no. Youth na wo mu no ye corrupt champion kokra na wo mu no. Nti they say Ghana solution is same, but so me dey I insist. Say youth e wa Ghana, enu Ghana youth am wa broche. Senka mo so ya mbafa camera na mu didi atem no. Form a political party, mun ka mu humom. Na munya political party say LPG no mu ne ade. And now the umpire take Kofi Kranti dey be independent. Mun te mo ho as a movement, youth movement. Na mo starting your research for Ghana ho say ni say na ye so Ghana mu a ye be solve Ghana problems. It is not enough say Ghana mo mu youth am ho. Mo be di attempt sir without solving Ghana's problems. No. Yeah, to be never NDC and MPP mu adi amamu youth no. We are taking power from NDC and MPP to give it to the youth of Ghana. And if you don't prove yourself, say you are worth our votes. Now mo di say you all that you are worth near 10 years, mo be young call for sana mo anopa you are insulting, and we are you are insulting, and you are insulting. And your momo ye sabi. I mean person be use language. Mo ye ni pe hunu ten kokra no. Youth of Ghana. Me say we are wrestling power from NDC and MPP. 2024 oko. Ya beg the power and the amamu youth no. You must show us a plan say you can solve Ghana problems. You must show us a plan. Yes, we are tired of NDC and MPP. Do amu be say NPP a press conference. NDC for we are or pe omu tumi nchi obia. Usi ni pane we a chene. Ade a chene NDC so papa oh MPP for we are or pe omu tumi nchi obia. No omu hia kwa na omu mienu ye omu ye EFL calculation. Tell how much you get. E tell you buy be we. You be more contract why. E wo de ya shada yes say we press ko ye no. Shada yes say fire ye ni wi ane akone a. I hu de akoso. I hu de akoso NDC ni MPP. Omu ye na for their friends. They are friends but they pretend so me enemies. Ghana no me see youth no. We are je power na free NDC ni MPP for. Because over the last 30 years now, Singapore adebeka world richest countries no. Ya de ama NDC ni MPP mutumi mba boyen sana notice na president Mahama ka so na time kra no nanka wo ye kpakpakpa utumi nya kakra di na na Dubai di wo ye kpakpakpa chesa obeya sa still chesa bottle kra fa no wo boy hwe mba